to keep myself together. People don't know I'm right on the hinge of falling apart. I'm talking to some people in this room. People have no idea. I had to train myself not to cry. That there's some days I got to sit in my own driveway. There are some days that I'll drive right past my own house. Come on, embrace yourself. You ought to thank God that you haven't slipped down to the bottom of alcoholism, that you kept yourself together, that in spite of how it is that life has treated you, you still look good when you're coming out of the house in the day. You kept yourself together in spite of people who you love mishandling you, and you have no idea why it is that they would do you dirty like that. You kept yourself together, and folk don't understand that there are moments where I don't want to be bothered. It's not that I'm mean or that I'm standoffish or that I'm arrogant, but